Hey there, welcome to the Visa Library. I'm Max and today I'll guide you through the process of immigrating to Turkey as a cloud engineer. If you're considering a move to this beautiful country, you're in luck. Let's get started, but before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Stay updated on all visas and grab our free cheat sheet about this specific video. We release 3 new videos every week, so hit that subscribe button now. Let's go. What are the requirements to immigrate to Turkey as a cloud engineer? Number 1, have a related educational degree. Having a related educational degree is often preferred when working as a cloud engineer in Turkey. It's not always a strict requirement, but having it can increase your chances of getting hired. The employer might ask for your education documents and certificates, so it's beneficial to have them. However, some individuals without a related degree have secure job offers based on their strong CV or other positive attributes. Number 2, verification of documents. You may need to get your degree verified depending on your nationality and the authorities' requirements. The verification process can be done by the issuing institution, the Turkish embassy or consulate in your home country, or a governmental organization. Number 3, have enough work experience as a cloud engineer. This is crucial for 2 reasons. Firstly, you'll need a job offer to work in Turkey as a foreign national, and employers often consider work experience when making hiring decisions. Secondly, you must be able to handle the job as a cloud engineer in Turkey. Employers expect hard work and results, so your experience plays a vital role. Number 4, a strong CV or resume. When you apply for a job, your CV is the first impression employers have on you. If it's not impressive, you may not get an interview. So make sure your CV reflects your skills and abilities accurately. Put in the hard work to make it stronger and increase your chances of getting a job offer. Number 5, get a job offer from a Turkish company. There are several ways you can go about it. One option is to explore websites that advertise job positions in Turkey, such as Learn4Good, LinkedIn, or Indeed.com. Update your resume, tailor it to each position, and apply directly through these platforms. Another approach is to seek assistance from employment or recruitment agencies. These companies connect employers and employees, and they might be able to help you find a job as a cloud engineer. You can also reach out directly to companies in your field, especially those you know are prominent in Turkey. Visit their websites or contact them to inquire about any available positions. Sometimes your connections such as friends, pen pals, or former colleagues can help you. Number 6, work permit. This permit allows you to legally work and reside in Turkey. Your employer will play a significant role in this process as they need to initiate the process on your behalf. They will need to provide necessary documentation such as your job offer letter and details about the position. Number 7, being able to gather the supporting documents. Okay, that's finished. Let's move on to the next topic. What is the procedure you have to follow? The first thing you have to do is to look for a job offer. It's the first peak you have to climb and reach. You could say it is your first Everest. You need government approval to work in Turkey as a foreign cloud engineer. A Turkish employer who needs your skills and cannot find someone inside the country can only apply for this permission from the government. After you manage to find an employer who needs your skills and is willing to hire you, the 2 sides must sign an employment contract. The work contract must be completed and explain all the aspects of your employment. Here are some of the items that you need to include. the employer applies for a work permit from Turkish officials. At this stage, the employer must apply for a work permit from Turkish officials. The department to apply to is the Turkish Ministry of Family, Labor and Social Services, or MLSS. The company submits some supporting documents to the MLSS. Here is a list of required documents from the employer, Okay, we have another list too. Here. This is the list of documents required from you as the employee or cloud engineer. After the employer submits an application to the MLSS, you have to gather the supporting documents to submit to the Turkish embassy or consulate in your home country. Let's look at them. Number 1, complete the Turkey visa application form. Number 2, photos. You need 2 identical photos of yourself. Photos should be biometric and not older than 6 months at the time of application. Number 3, passport. It must be valid for 6 months after you land in Turkey. Number 4, job offer or work contract. Number 5, clean record certificate. Number 6, diploma or graduation certificate. A verified translator must translate your BA or MA certificate. Number 7, medical insurance. You need insurance for the whole duration of your stay in Turkey. Number 8, evidence of accommodation in Turkey. You may present proof of a real estate property in Turkey or a rent agreement. Number 9, proof of having enough funds. You must submit a bank statement that proves you have at least 50 euros for each day of your stay in the country. At the next stage, you need to submit your documents to the Turkish embassy in your home country. When you complete the online application form, the website asks you to determine a center to submit your application. You can choose the nearest center in your home or a neighboring country. Schedule a meeting with the center and visit the center on the reserved date and bring all the documents. Submit the documents to the officials and answer their questions regarding the purpose of your visit. It's the interview and you might have to pass it. Next, wait for the visa processing by the embassy and wait for the results. The processing time is about 1 month, but you might have to wait longer. The embassy informs you of the results and how to get your label and your passport. After you get your visa, you can move to Turkey and begin your work. When you arrive in Turkey, you have to apply for a foreign ID card. To get a foreign ID card, you must first receive your residence permit card. Visit the IKAMET residence website to apply for your residence permit. You will have to give your name and surname, date of birth, parents' names, nationality, and contact info. Then you should go to the Central Appointment System website and make an appointment at the nearest office of the Directorate General of Migration Management. You complete a form with your information and address in Turkey. An important question about money. How much is the salary of cloud engineers in Turkey? Let's see. The average salary of a cloud engineer is about 49,000 Turkish lira per year. There you have it. Now you have the information you need to start your application and go to Turkey as a cloud engineer. Don't forget to download our cheat sheet about this video. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm and keeps you updated on all visa-related content. Also, follow our social media accounts for more updates. Links are in the description. If you have any topics about visas that you need to be covered, let us know in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.